All right, if you're into instant coffee, this is the Elite Coffee Intense. I like Elite coffees. I like all instant coffee. That's all I drink, and this stuff is fantastic. It's got 10% espresso in it. It is a product of Israel, and it is kosher for everything except Passover, I think. It's got some information for you on the back there. I like to drink this as either, like an Americano, full cup, or as an espresso. It has a really neat shaped bottle, I think. This is the 4.4 ounce bottle. I got a 2-pack of it, and you can see it in relation to the size of Davidoff and Amazon's brand right here. It is about the size of a normal jar of coffee that you're used to seeing. You can see the freeze-dried grounds, very similar looking to like Taster's Choice and stuff that you're used to seeing. Really tastes great. Really easy to make too. You just spoon out the amount that you want. I usually put a couple of teaspoons in here, build it to your own taste and how you want it to work out. You put your fixings in there that you like. I like to put in heavy whipping cream because that's me. No carbs. And you very simply just add water to it. I like to add a little bit of water at a time because you don't want to burn the grounds. Add hot water and you're good to go. And you can see it breaks down really well. Super good taste, super cool bottle.